Hello, everyone. You guys have been asking for a match between Vitaly Laletin and Devon Larratt, and Vitaly has been challenging Devon for a while, and Devon recently made a video, and he said he is ready to pull Vitaly in August, and he said it's totally up to the organization. If organization thinks it's a good idea, then let's do it. Yeah, as the matchmaker guy, I think it's a wonderful match, and I am setting this match for August 7th, East vs. West 19. So they both guys wanted to pull against each other. So as an organization, we can't stop this match, and we don't have any intention to stop. It's a beautiful match, and a match that had to happen, and so enjoy.